Page 23, Carol in Canon. A carol is a song, a religious song. People are singing it, like Christmas carols and all that. Okay. A canon is a round where you're different people are singing the same thing but at different times, and it all kind of blends in together. Okay. So this is what this is. 2/2 time. Oh, good. 1 flat, F major or D minor. Well, look at the end. What is this? It's reading here. I'd say D minor. That's what it sounds like. You're getting the same melody in both hands. You're just getting it at different times. That's why the canon comes in. It's a round. So the carol is here. Second finger. Then come up. Get the idea? Then you come up again. Again, little finger. Get the idea of what the carol sounds like. And then the left hand is. You heard this before? Lift up again. It's not exactly the same, but it's very close, and they just do it at different times. Can you hear the two singing the same tune at different times? That's the whole idea. That's what a canon does. It's what a musical canon does, not the military canon. Blows everything. Oh, okay. 2/2 time is feeling it in 2. 1, the quarter note, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. When I first learn a piece that's in 2/2 or cut time, I put it in 4/4 time at first because it's easier to count it. And then once I have it and I've got it learned, then I put it back into the 2/2. We want to feel 2 beats measure. 1, 2, 1, 2. The last line, second measure here. I recommend a thumb on the C and the here. So I can connect them. I want to connect it with the fingers. And if I do that, I can't connect them. So I need a thumb on that C so I can play these here. Connect it all together. Thumb and here. There. It's legato except between the slurs. So it's lift up between the slurs, and each hand has its own set of slurs. So you're lifting up at different times. Ooh. Then the dynamics would start out soft, and that's both hands, because melody's in both hands, so it's both. Let's just balance it out. If this is soft in this hand, this has to be the same soft. And because you're in different parts of the keyboard, you have to adjust, because the lower part of the keyboard is louder than the upper part. So you may have to play the left hand a little softer in order to get it to sound soft. Up a little bit for the second line. It's called sort of a medium loud. Then you're going to crescendo up. Now you're medium loud. Now you're still medium loud here. And then you start coming down a little bit. Down to medium soft. Soft. It's very soft. And you retard at the end. Plus it's a fermata on a whole note at the end. And you slow down. So you just hang on to it for a little while and then lift up. I'll just double the value when I play with a metronome. I'll just hold it down for 4 counts instead of 2. Yeah. That's sort of how it goes. They give the metronome marking of 60 and that's really about as fast as we go. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. Now we're going to try it almost that fast, but not quite. I'm going to slow it down a little bit. So I'm going to take it at a half note equals around 50 instead of 60. Let's see if we can do that. I'll give us 4 counts. 1 and 2 and ready and go and. Hold, 2, off.